performance activity, you'll start with the bar just below shoulder height. Put your hands on top of the bar, and then bring your elbows under the bar until the upper arm is parallel with the ground. You'll balance the bar on your shoulders in this position, and then unrack the bar and step back. In this position, you'll have the majority of the weight in your heels. You'll take an easy breath in through the nose. Then you'll exhale about half the air on the way down and the other half of the air on the way up. Inhale at the top. Exhale half on the way down and half on the way up. When you're done your set, walk forward to re-rack the bar. If you're unable to use the traditional grip for the front squat, go under the bar first, balancing the bar on your shoulders. Bring your hands to the center of the bar and then lift your elbows up until they're parallel with the ground before coming up slightly to unrack the bar.